Okay, this is a 1980 Kawasaki Z1R. Pretty rare bike. Uses the MKII power plant, which I think is a lot better. This to me is way better Z1R than the 1978. This one's been, I would say, 40% restored, 90 to 100% reconditioned, and some of it left original. This is the original seat and seat cover on it. Has the auxiliary kicker underneath. Has the original toolkit. There is no owner's manual. It is missing the seat lock assembly. The paint is fresh. I hated painting this because the tank and everything was original paint, dent free, but needed a little more than whatever. So I decided to paint it. It's a beautiful paint job. Beautiful black, correct striping. Tank is bare metal clean inside. The engine, the bike's got 30,000 miles on it. The engine, the top end's been done. Hone, rings, valve, head's been totally done. Seals and all that, and adjusted with the shims. It's got the stock set of carbs on it that were completely overhauled. The K&N air filter in it. I did put a regular Kickstarter on it also, and because I think it looks cool. It's got running the original style exhaust. The brake calipers have been totally rebuilt. All new piston seals, brake pads. The shocks are new old stock, so they cost me a small fortune, along with the front master cylinder, new old stock front master cylinder. Add those two parts up, it's over $1,000. So it's got new tires on it, new chain and sprockets, fork seals, steering head bearings, all new brake hoses, all new cables. Let's see, I'm forgetting some stuff. So it's been totally gone through. Good tires on it. It's probably got about 600 miles on it since I redid it. All right, so it's in beautiful shape. It's hard to find these bikes with the correct switches, the correct master cylinder. Now, I did leave some patinaed items on it because I wanted to show that it was original. So it has the original levers. They have the plastic coating on them right here. Original mirrors. The aftermarket ones you can't see out of them, so they have a little patina. I left that on there to show that they were original and not replaced at one time, so it wasn't a downed bike. It's a beautiful bike. It's got no broken fins. Runs great. Shifts great. I'm going to fire her up. Idle's real nice. Like I said, 30,000 miles, but it's all reconditioned, restored. I did put a Pingle fuel petcock on it. The original one is underneath the seat, and it was working correctly. I prefer the Pingle. Revs, settles nice. No smoke, no leaks. Total recondition. I'm selling this bike for what I have into it. Okay, so that's just the purchase of the bike and all the parts, no labor, just the bike and the parts. And if you could do it cheaper, God bless. All right, if interested, give Dave a call at 772-321-1437 or dberinger at kz1000.com.